Hi, in this video we are going to show you like how to submit your FEMFAT jobs through a batch file. And sometimes when the license is not available, if you go via the FEMFAT basic way, the FEMFAT GUI will say like the license is not available and will not even start. So how to submit your job in a queue so that when the license is available, when the license becomes free, your run will take that license and start executing in the batch mode. So basically, before going to that, you need to have the FEMFAT path where your FEMFAT is installed. Just go to start, type FEMFAT, and go to this file location and see this. Go to show more options and see this property and copy this target path fully and just paste it in a text pad first, and then you can just delete this the initial line of this command prompt, and you can save it somewhere. This path is very important to execute the batch run in FEMFAT. Now I will go to that folder where I have INP file and the ODB file or any other files, results files I have. Now I will just go to this and type CMD here. So command prompt will open from this, and then just like whatever this path I need to paste it here, and then space, and then I will type job, and then this file name along with its extension I need to paste it here, press enter, and the job will execute it. If suppose some error is there, it will show it in a message file like this. But suppose if license is not available, then what to do? Like you can always submit this job and just do this queue option. Then it will go to queue if there is no license, like this. And there are other options also, like if you want to write the scratch file somewhere else, then you can always give the scratch command and followed by your path name, just like this. So this way all your scratch file will be written somewhere else wherever you want it. Sorry. If your run doesn't require a blast license, then you can just do this no blast option and you can just press enter. So this is how we can submit the run through batch mode in FEMFAT. And this FFJ file you can create using previous run, or if you want to know how to create this FFJ file, just comment in the video. I'll make it how to create one FFJ file for a simple job. So that's how we can just submit the run through batch mode in FEMFAT. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.